We are in Amarillo, Texas, to visit this public art installation and the sculpture called Cadillac Ranch. I visited this place in 2003. Few people visiting this place. I want to see it again and see what's happening around the area. This Cadillac Ranch was created in 1974 by Chief Lord Hudson Marcus and Doug Michaels. They are the Ant Farm Art Group. This art installation was sponsored by Stanley Marsh III, eccentric millionaire. According to Wikipedia, in 2012 they were painted rainbow colors to commemorate Gay Pride Day. The cars were painted solid black with the words Black Lives Matter in June 2020 by activists protesting police brutality and the murder of George Floyd. This Cadillac Ranch is open 24 hours at 13651 Interstate 40 Frontage Road, Amarillo, Texas 79124. Anyone can participate in making a graffiti because it's becoming a public art. Problem is spray paint cans all over the area and graffitis on the floor too.
One of the unfortunate side effects of this beautiful public art is that folks leave behind paint cans and are painting on the ground, which is kind of disrespectful to a public art. It would be much nicer if folks would take care of this beautiful public display.
Hopefully trash can is nearby, not that far over the fence. There should be a trash can close to the art installation. If you love arts and travel, please subscribe to my channel Journey Inside and Out. I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.